Actually, what happened? Most of the students always forget how to convert Fahrenheit scale into Celsius scale. So today, after going through this video, I can assure that you will never forget the relationship between Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. So let us start. This is our Celsius scale. This is our Fahrenheit scale, and this is our Kelvin scale. In Celsius scale, we know the freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius and the boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. It is also called lower fixed point, and it is our upper fixed point. In Celsius scale, the distance between freezing point and boiling point is equally divided into 100 division, whereas in Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Only these two things you have to remember, and you can derive within 10 seconds what is the relationship between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. So in Fahrenheit scale, the this distance is equally divided into 180 equal divisions. In Kelvin scale, the freezing point of water is 273 Kelvin, whereas boiling point is 373 Kelvin. Now we will write an equation. Nothing you have to do, you have to write scale minus lower fixed point. I am denoting LFP divided by number of divisions between this upper fixed point and lower fixed point, that is 100 equal divisions are there. It is equal to scale, what I have written, this is Fahrenheit scale minus lower fixed point. Here what we have, here we have 32 degree Fahrenheit divided by what we have, total number of divisions in between we have 180 equal division divided over 180, and it is equal to scale, that is Kelvin scale minus lower fixed point. What we have here, we have 273 Kelvin divided by number of divisions. How many divisions we have here? Here 100 divisions we have. 373 minus 273, we have 100 equal divisions. Now you can equate any two at a time to get relationship between among them. So here at scale I am writing C minus, what is the lower fixed point for Celsius scale? It is 0 degree by 100 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180, and it is equal to K minus 273 Kelvin divided by 100. Now I am equating first these two to get relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So C by 100 equals F minus 32 divided by 180, that is 2500. This is our required relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Similarly, you can find relationship between these Celsius and Kelvin. So I will equate these two. C by 100 equal K minus 273 divided by 100. It will get cancelled. So C equal K minus 273. I hope this you will never forget. Anywhere you can derive within 10 seconds. Only things you have to remember, this 32 degree Fahrenheit is the lower fixed point in case of Fahrenheit scale, and 212 degree Fahrenheit is the upper peak point in Fahrenheit scale. These 2 points, when you will remember, you can derive this relation within 10 seconds. Thank you.